again for today. We got this one again for today. So they showed me a trick, right? Where they say I can like if I lose enough ball, like if I miss, the system counts it as like I'm actually missing the bird. So that's why I'm like trying to make sure. They say if you miss like 10 to 15 times, you get it for 100%. So I'm about to try this now. So I'm gonna try to miss as much as possible, guys. I'm literally gonna try and miss as much as possible. Just to see if I can catch this bird, bro. If this doesn't work, man, I'm gonna pass. I gotta be careful, guys. Okay, now let's go now. Wish me good luck, guys. Oh, my phone is freezing, bro. Ah, it didn't work, bro. That tactic didn't work, bro. Fuck you too, bro.